Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you will be fine and continue your study through online classes provided by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Regional Office, Jabalpur. Student, we have already discussed sixth question of exercise 3.3 of chapter Understanding Quadrilateral in previous class. Now we will discuss some more question of exercise 3.3. So here the seventh question is, the adjacent figure hope is a parallelogram. Find the angle, measure x, y and z. State the property you use to find them. Here given that HOPE, hope, is a parallelogram and angle EHP equal to 40 degree and angle POX equal to 70 degree. We want to find angle X, Y and Z. Let's see it. The given image. Student, it is given that HOP is a parallelogram and this angle is 70 degree given. Okay. Now we observe that HOP, angle HOP, angle HOP plus angle POH, HOP plus POX, this angle and this angle makes linear pair, means sum of these angles will be 180 degree and angle POX is given that 70 degree, 70 plus HOP, angle HOP equal to 180 degree. So angle HOP equal to 180 minus 70 gives 110 degree, means the value of this angle is 110 degree. Then HOP is a parallelogram, so this opposite angle X opposite to this 110, X also 110 degree. Okay. Now observe that HX and EP, those are parallel lines and HP is a transversal. So angle Y, this angle Y and this angle 40 are these angles are alternate interior angle. You observe that this angle 40 and this angle are alternate interior angle. So Y equal to 40 degree. What is the value of Y? 40 degree. Then using property, angle sum property of a triangle, in this triangle HOP we can get angle of Z, 110 plus 40 equal to 150 and subtract by 180 we get 30 degree. You can see the solution here. Here now HOX is a line segment. Now HOX is a line segment. So angle HOP 100 plus POX equal to 180 and HOP plus the value of HOX equal POX equal to 70 degree. So HOP equal to 110 degree. Now opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal, so angle E or angle X equal to 110 degree. You can see here this angle 110 and this angle 1x are opposite angle of a parallelogram. So angle x will be 110 degree. Now here adjacent angle of a parallelogram are supplementary. You can apply another method, that this angle y, this angle y and this angle 40 are alternate interior angle, because HO and EP are parallel lines and HP is a transversal. Okay, so y equal to 40 degree, then apply 110 plus 40 plus z equal to 180, and you can get z equal to 30 degree. Or another method is given here, EHO plus HOP equal to 180, means angle H plus angle O, adjacent angle of a parallelogram, are supplementary, means 40 plus z, because the value of angle EHO equal to 40 plus z. And what is the value of angle HOP? 110. So 40 plus z plus 110 equal to 180. 40 plus 110 equal to 150. 150 plus z equal to 180. So z equal to 180 minus 150, 30 degree. Hence the value of x equal to 110, y equal to 40, and z equal to 100, and z equal to 30 degree. Okay. Next one. The following figures, guns and runs, are parallelogram. Find x and y. Here it is given that these are parallelogram. So you know that the opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. So SG equal to NU. SG equal to NU. What is the value of SG? 3x. What is the value of NU? 18. So x equal to 18 by 3. You can get 6. Okay. Similarly, this GU equal to SN, means 3y minus 1 equal to 26 by transpose 3y equal to 26 plus 1. Here 3y equal to 27, y equal to 27 by 3 equal to 9, x equal to 6, y equal to 9. Which property used? Opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. See here the solution. We know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So GU equal to SN. Value of GU 3y minus 1 equal to 26, and y 3y equal to 26 plus 1, 3y equal to 27, y equal to 27 by 3, 9. Similarly, SG equal to NU, opposite sides of parallelogram, 3x equal to 18. So x equal to 18 by 3, you can get x equal to 6. I hope it is clear to you. Next one. The following figure, guns and runs, are parallelogram. Find x and y. Here runs RUNS is a parallelogram, and you know that here the given value in the term of x and y in the diagonal, and you know that diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. So diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other means this OR value equal to the value of x plus y, this. Okay, means x plus y equal to 16, and similarly this y plus 7 equal to 20, y plus 7 equal to 20, because diagonal bisect each other. So by second, y equal to 20 plus 7, you get 27. Put the value of y here. No, sorry, 1 minute. Here is 20 minus 7, you get 13, and put the value of y 13 in first one. So then x plus 13, x plus 13 equal to 16. What is value of x? X equal to 16 minus 13 equal to 3. Okay. See here the example. A solution of the question. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. ON equal to OR means x plus y equal to 16, first equation, and OU equal to SO means y plus 7, the value of OU equal to 20 and y equal to 13. Put the value of y equal to 13 in first equation, x plus y 16, x plus 13 16, x equal to 16 minus 3 means x equal to 3. Hence the value of x equal to 3 and y equal to 13. Next one. In the above given figure, both RISK, risk, and CLUE are parallelogram. Find the value of x. Okay. Student, here we want to find the value of this angle, and we are given that this is a parallelogram. So in RISK, if this is 120, so what is the value of this angle? Because this K and S are adjacent angle, and adjacent angle in a parallelogram are supplementary. So value of S equal to 60 degree. 120 plus 60, 180. Okay. Similarly, in this CLUE, in this parallelogram, this angle is 70. So what is the value of angle E? Because L opposite to E equal to 70. 1 minute. Equal to 1 minute. Now equal to 70 degree, because S is adjacent angle of K and E is opposite angle of E. Now L is opposite angle of E. Now in triangle, in this triangle ESO, S plus E and X, 60 plus 70 plus X equal to 180. Okay. So X equal to 180 minus 130, 180 minus 130 equal to 50 degree. You can see the solution here. Given two parallelogram, risk RISK and CLUE. K equal to 120 and L equal to 70. We can find x if we know angle E and S. We have to first know that angle E and value of angle S. Here in parallelogram risk RISK, K and S, adjacent angle of a parallelogram, are supplementary. So angle K plus angle S, you can see here this angle K and this angle S, these are adjacent angle in RISK. So the value of S equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degree. Similarly, opposite angles of our parallelogram are equal. So angle E equal to angle L means angle equal to 70 degree. Now in triangle ESO, sum of angles equal to 180. Angle E plus S plus X equal to 180. What is the value of angle E? 70. Angle value of angle S equal to 60 plus X equal to 180. 130 plus X equal to 180. So hence X equal to 180 minus 130. You can get X equal to 50 degree. Okay. Next one. Explain how this figure is a trapezium, which of its two sides are parallel. Here a quadrilateral KLMN are given. angle L equal to 80 degree and angle M equal to 100 degree. We have to prove that KLMN is a trapezium. Construction, extend LM to O. Constructed this, and what we observe that fall line segment NM and KL with MO is a transversal. MO is a transversal, means in this NM, this line and this line, for this line, and this is a transversal line. We observe that angle M plus angle L equal to 180, means angle M 100 degree, angle L 180 degree, and we get M plus L equal to 180 degree. Angle M plus L equal to 180 degree. Thus, sum of interior angle on same side of transversal is 180 degree, which is only possible if NM and KL are parallel lines. Therefore, NM parallel to KL. Since KLMN is a quadrilateral with KL parallel to NM, KLMN is a trapezium, because trapezium are quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides. Next one, find measure of angle C if AB parallel DC. Okay, AB parallel to DC, this line parallel to DC, and we want to find the angle of C. So these are parallel lines, and this is a transversal. This line is a transversal line. So we know that this angle and this angle are on the same side of a transversal. So angle C plus angle V equal to 180 degree. Angle C equal to 180 minus 120, because the value of B equal to 120, hence angle C equal to 60 degree. See the solution. And given AB parallel to DC and BC is a transversal, so angle B plus C are angle on the same side of a transversal. Angle B plus C equal to 180, 120 plus C equal to 180, angle C equal to 180 minus 120, angle C equal to 60 degree. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Next one, find the measure of angle P and S if SP parallel to RQ. SP parallel to RQ. Here it is given that SP, this line parallel to this line, and we want to find angle S and P. Okay, student, observe here, these are parallel lines, and if we take SR as a transversal, angle R equal to 90, so angle S equal to angle R equal to 90. Why? You can also solve this by 1 minute. Angle S plus angle R equal to 180. Why these are angle 180? Because these are the interior angle, or angle on the same side of a transversal, because these lines are parallel and this is transversal, so these angles are these angles are interior angle on the same side. Okay, so angle S equal to 180 minus, what is the value angle of R? 90, equal to 90 degree. Now angle P, here this side PQ is a transversal. If we taken as this, 1 minute, if we taken it as this and this is P and this is Q, S and R, we know that this angle is 130 degree. So these are parallel lines and this is a transversal, so these angles are interior angle on the same side, and so angle P plus Q equal to 180, angle P plus angle Q equal to 180, angle P 130 plus angle Q equal to 180, so angle Q equal to 180 minus 130 equal to 50 degree. Angle P, 1 minute, angle P equal to P plus 130. Okay, so hence we get angle P equal to 50 degree. You can see here the solution. SR is the transversal, so S and R are on angle on the same side of a transversal, so R plus S will be 180, value of R equal to 90, so S equal to 90 degree. Similarly, P in SP parallel to RQ and QP is a transversal, so P plus Q equal to 180 because these are the angle on the same side of a transversal. So P plus 130 equal to 180, P equal to 50 degree. Another method you apply that R plus S. See here, we know that adjacent angle of a trapezium are supplementary. We have also applied this, that PQRS is a trapezium, and we know that adjacent angle of a trapezium are supplementary. So angle R plus angle S will be 180. This is 90, so this will be also 90. Here what is method applied? Method applied that adjacent angle of trapezium are supplementary. Adjacent angle of trapezium are supplementary. So S equal to 90. Similarly, you can find P plus Q equal to 180, P plus 130 equal to 180, P equal to 180 minus 130, P equal to 50 degree. Okay. Thank you very much.